Hey there, future interns.
Are you ready to land your dream internship? Well, you've come to the right place.
In today's video, we'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to secure that perfect internship opportunity. Internships are an incredible opportunity to gain hands-on experience, develop new skills, and make valuable connections in your chosen field. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start and how to stand out from the competition. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide, designed to help you every step of the way. From self-assessment and goal setting to networking and application materials, we'll cover everything you need to know to find the perfect internship that aligns with your interests and career aspirations. We'll also share insider tips and strategies to help you ace the interview process and secure that coveted internship spot. So, whether you're a student looking to gain real-world experience or a recent graduate seeking to kickstart your career, this video is for you. Grab a pen and paper, or just watch through now and save it to reference later. Let's get started on your journey to internship success. Step 1. Know your goals. Identify your interests and strengths. Take some time to reflect on your interests, strengths, and the skills you want to develop. Consider your academic background, extracurricular activities, and any relevant work or volunteer experience. Define your career goals. Think about your long-term career goals and how an internship can help you achieve them. What type of industry or role do you see yourself in? How can an internship help you gain the necessary skills and experience? Step 2. Research companies and industries. Explore different industries.
Research various industries to understand their characteristics, trends, and potential internship opportunities.
This will help you determine which industries align with your interests and career goals. Identify target companies.
Create a list of companies within your chosen industry that you'd like to intern with.
Consider factors such as company culture, size, location, and reputation. Research each company's mission, values, and recent news to gain a deeper understanding of their operations. Step 3. Network, network, network. You've probably heard it a million times, but networking is crucial in landing your dream internship. Reach out to your friends, family, professors, and even alumni from your school to see if they have any connections in the industries you're interested in. You never know who might have the perfect opportunity for you. Leverage your existing network. Reach out to your personal and professional network, including friends, family, professors, and previous employers, to gather information about potential internship opportunities. They may have valuable insights or connections that can help you in your search. Attend networking events and career fairs. Participate in networking events, career fairs, and industry-specific conferences to meet professionals in your field of interest. These events provide excellent opportunities to learn about different companies, their internship programs, and potential job openings. Conduct informational interviews. Request informational interviews with professionals in your target industry or company. These informal conversations can provide valuable insights into the internship application process, company culture, and potential career paths. Step 4. Craft a killer resume and cover letter. Your resume and cover letter are your first impressions, so make them count.
Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills and experiences for each internship you apply for.
And don't forget to write a personalized cover letter that shows your enthusiasm and explains why you're the perfect fit for the role. Step 5. Prepare for interviews. Congrats! You've landed an interview. Now it's time to prepare. Research the company, practice common interview questions, and come up with a few questions of your own to ask the interviewer. Remember, interviews are a two-way street. You're also evaluating if the company is the right fit for you. Step 6. Follow up. After your interview, don't forget to send a thank you email to your interviewer.
This small gesture can go a long way in showing your appreciation and professionalism.
Plus, it's a great way to reiterate your interest in the position. Step 7. Set goals and expectations. Once you've secured your dream internship, it's essential to set goals and expectations for yourself. What do you want to learn? What skills do you want to develop? Having clear objectives will help you make the most of your internship experience. Step 8. Be proactive and take initiative. Don't wait for tasks to be handed to you. Be proactive and take the initiative. Offer to help with projects, ask for more responsibilities, and show that you're eager to learn and contribute. This will not only impress your supervisors but also help you gain valuable experience. Step 9. Network within the company. Remember how important networking was in landing your internship? Well, it's just as crucial during your internship. Networking within the company during your internship is crucial for building relationships, learning from others, and potentially opening doors to future opportunities. Here are a few things you can do.
Start with your immediate team.
Begin by building strong relationships with your immediate team members. Get to know their roles, responsibilities, and how they contribute to the company's success. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and show genuine interest in their work. This will help you establish a solid foundation for your professional network. Make an effort to attend company events, meetings, and social gatherings. These occasions provide excellent opportunities to meet people from different departments and learn about various aspects of the company. Don't be shy. Introduce yourself, engage in conversations, and exchange contact information. Connect on LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking. Make sure to connect with your colleagues on the platform and personalize your connection requests with a brief message. This will help you stay connected even after your internship ends and keep you updated on their career progress. Schedule informational interviews. Informational interviews are informal conversations with professionals in your field of interest. Reach out to colleagues from different departments and request a short meeting to learn about their roles, career paths, and any advice they might have for you. This not only expands your network but also provides valuable insights into potential career options. Volunteer to help your colleagues with their projects or collaborate on cross-departmental initiatives. This will allow you to showcase your skills, learn from others, and build strong working relationships with a diverse group of professionals. Step 10. Seek feedback and learn from your mistakes. Nobody's perfect, and you're bound to make mistakes during your internship. The key is to learn from them and grow. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from your supervisors and colleagues. Their insights can help you improve and become a better professional. Step 11. Reflect on your experience as your internship comes to an end. Take some time to reflect on your experience. What did you learn? What skills did you develop? How has this internship shaped your career goals? Reflecting on your experience will help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement, setting you up for success in your future endeavors. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on finding and securing the perfect internship, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered throughout the video. We began by discussing the importance of self-assessment and goal setting, which helps you identify your interests, strengths, and career aspirations. This crucial first step lays the foundation for a focused and targeted internship search. Next, we delved into the research process, highlighting the various resources available to help you discover internship opportunities, such as online job boards, career fairs, and networking events. We also emphasized the value of networking, both online and offline, in connecting with professionals in your field and uncovering hidden internship opportunities. Once you've identified potential internships, we explored the essential components of a strong application, including crafting a tailored resume, writing a compelling cover letter, and creating a professional online presence. We also touched on the importance of gathering letters of recommendation from individuals who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. Finally, we tackled the interview process, providing tips on researching common interview questions, conducting mock interviews, and preparing thoughtful questions for the interviewer. These strategies will help you build confidence, improve your communication skills, and ultimately increase your chances of landing the internship of your dreams. By following the steps and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the internship search process and stand out from the competition. Remember, internships are an invaluable opportunity to gain hands-on experience, develop new skills, and make lasting connections in your chosen field.
So, stay focused, stay persistent, and keep working towards your goals.
We wish you the best of luck in your internship journey and look forward to hearing about your success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on becoming a better student and achieving in school. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.